Good morning, students. Today, theorem 1.14 Ruchi-Capelli theorem. A system of linear equations written in the matrix form as Ax equal to B is consistent if and only if the rank of the coefficient matrix is equal to the rank of the augmented matrix. That is, rank of A is equal to rank of A comma B. Row of A is equal to row of A comma B. Otherwise, it is inconsistent. Once again, listen. A system of linear equations written in the matrix form Ax equal to B is consistent when if and only if the rank of the coefficient matrix is equal to the rank of the augmented matrix. That is written as row of A is equal to row of A comma B. Otherwise, suppose if a row of A is not equal to row of A comma B, the system is inconsistent. The system is inconsistent. Okay. Now we are going to solve example 1.29. Test for consistency of the following system of linear equations and if possible solve. Test for consistency of the following system of linear equations and if possible solve. Here 4 equations are given. X plus 2y minus z equal to 3. 3x minus y plus 2z equal to 1. X minus 2y plus 3z equal to 3. Fourth one, x minus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0. Here 4 equations are given. Here number of unknowns. Number of unknowns means x, y, z. How many unknowns are there? There are 3 unknowns. So the matrix form of the system is Ax equal to B. That is, we write the coefficients of x, y, z in the first equation, first row. 1, 2, minus 1. Coefficient of x, y, z in the second equation, we write in the second row, 3, minus 1, 2. From third equation, coefficients of x, y, z, we write third row, 1, minus 2, 3. Fourth equations, we write fourth row. Okay. Now the right hand side answer, 3, 3, 1. This 1 goes to right hand side, minus 1. So 3, 1, 3, minus 1. Now here A is the coefficient matrix 1, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 3, 1, minus 1, 1. X is equal to x, y, z. Here B is equal to the right answer that is 3, 1, 3, minus 1. Now we are going to solve. First we write augmented matrix A by B. That is 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 3, minus 1, 2, 1, 1, minus 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Now applying Gaussian elimination method A by B, which implies, once again listen, here first row, first element 1 is in first place. Okay, but in the second row, first element here 3. So we eliminating 3 to 0. Okay, first we write R2. 3 minus 1 to 1. Now comparing R1 here 1. So we multiplying R1 by minus 3. Now we get 1 into minus 3, minus 3, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3, 3 into minus 3, minus 9. Now adding these two rows, we get 3 minus 3, 0, minus 1, minus 6, minus 7, 2 plus 3, 5, 1 minus 9, minus 8. This is R2. Now we are going to write in second row, that is R2. Okay. Now third row, listen. Third row here 1. So no problem. We are going to adding R3 minus R1. Okay. First we write R3. that is 1 minus 2, 3, 3. Minus R1, multiplying R1 by minus 1. So from R1 minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 3. Adding these two rows we get 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 3 plus 1 4 3 minus 3 0. Now we are going to write in R2. Here R2. Sorry R3. Okay. Now R4. R4 listen. Here first element is R4 in first element 1. So comparing R1 here 1. So R4 minus R1. First we write R4. Next we write minus R1. That is adding these two rows. 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 1 plus 1 2. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Now we are going to write in R4. Okay. Now listen. First row there is no change. Second row, third row, fourth row. Here. Second row, third row and fourth row. Okay. Right, finished. Next listen. In R2 there are minus 0, minus 7, 5, minus 8. R3 minus 4 plus 4 0. R4 minus 3 2 minus 4. These three rows we are going to multiplying by minus 1. Each row is multiplied by minus 1. Now the new augmented matrix 1 2 R1 there is no change. So we write R1 1 2 minus 1 3. R2 is multiplied by minus 1. We get 0 plus 7 minus 5 plus 8. R3 is also multiplied by minus 1. Now R3 implies 0 plus 4 minus 4 0. Now R4 is multiplied by minus 1. We get 0 plus 3 minus 2 plus 4. Okay. Now next we are going to R3. Listen R3 and R2. We listen R2 and R3. Here R3 have for second element. We comparing second element is plus 7 plus 4. Okay. Now we are going to multiplying by R2 by 4, R3 by 7. We comparing the second element in R2 and R3. We multiplied R2 by 4, R3 by 7. Similarly, we are going to multiply comparing R2 and R4. Here the second element is 3. So we are going to multiply R2 by 3, R4 by 7. R4 by what? 7. Yes. Now 7 R3. 0 28 minus 28 0. Minus 4 R2. 0 minus 28 20 32. Now adding these two rows we get 0 28 minus 28 0 minus 28 plus 20, that is minus 8 0 plus 20 32, that is 32. Okay, minus 32. Now 7 R4, that is 7 into R4 we get the answer 0 21 minus 14 28 minus 3 R2 which is 0 minus 21 plus 15 minus 24. Adding these two rows we get the answer 0 0 plus 1 plus 4. Now the augmented matrix A by B, that is first row there is no change. We write the similar row. Next second R2 there is no change 0 7 minus 5 8. R3 is here. R3 0 0 minus 8 32. R4 that is 0 1 0 0 1 4. Okay, it's finished. Next listen. Next R3. You listen R3 0 0 minus 8 minus 32. What do you think? We are going to divide R3 by minus 1 by 2. Now we get the answer 0 0 1 4. Comparing with R4, both rows are same answer. So we adding R4 minus R3. Okay, now R4 becomes 0 0 0 0. Now there are 3 non-zero rows in row echelon form. This is the row echelon form. Okay, in row echelon form there are 3 rows only. Now the rank of A. How do you find rank of A comma B and rank of A? Here number of non-zero rows is 3. So rank of A comma B is 3. Now rank of A, that is rank of A. Where is A? Here A. Here also the number of non-zero rows 1, 2, 3. So rank of A is also equal to 3. Now rank of A comma B equal to 3. The row echelon form of A is here. Now rank of A is also equal to 3. This is equal to number of variables. Number of variables how much? In starting we write number of variables x, y, z, that is 3. So rank of A comma B and number of variables all are equal to 3. Then from the echelon form we write the equation. First equation x plus 2y minus z equal to 3. Second equation 7y minus 5z equal to 8. And third equation z equal to 4. Fourth one is 0 is equal to 0. It is meaningful. Okay. Now z equal to 4. Third equation we get the answer z equal to 4. Now we substitute z equal to 4 in equation number z equal to 4. We substitute equation number 2. Now where is the equation number 2? Here equation number 2 is 7y minus 5z equal to 8. Now 7y minus 5 into z value 4. So 5 4s are 20. Minus 20 goes to right hand side plus 20. So 7y is equal to 28. Y is equal to 28 by 7. Now y answer is 4. Z equal to 4. We substitute in equation number 1. Where is 1? Here. X plus 2y minus z equal to 3. Here x, we didn't know x. Plus 2 into y value 4. 2 4s are 8. And minus z equal to 4. 8 minus 4, that is 4. 4 goes to right hand side minus 4. So x equal to 3 minus 4. That is x equal to minus 1. Hence x equal to minus 1, y is equal to 4, z equal to 4. Here the system is consistent and the solution is unique. System is consistent and solution is unique. Note that A is not a square matrix. You listen, A is a square matrix or not? This is our A. Here A is not a square matrix. This is 4 cross 3 matrix. Here A is, what is the order? 4 rows 3 columns. So the order is 4 cross 3A. Okay, this is not square matrix. This is not square matrix. Now the A is not a square matrix, but we get the answer x, y, z. A is not a square matrix. Here listen, the rank of A is equal to rank of A comma B. So the system is consistent. Rank of A and rank of A comma B both are equal. Okay, so the system is consistent and the system has only one solution, that is the solution is unique. Okay, now the second sum, example 1.30. Test for consistency of the following system of linear equations and if possible solve. Okay, here 3 equations are given. Here only 3 equations are given. In the last sum there are 4 equations given. Okay, now here 3 equations are given. First equation 4x minus 2y plus 6z equal to 8. And second equation x plus 3y x plus y minus 3z equal to minus 1. Third equation 15x minus 3y plus 9z equal to 21. Now the number of unknowns is 3, that is x, y, z. The matrix form, the form is Ax equal to B. Here A is, we write the coefficients from first equation, second equation, third equation. This is our A. 4 minus 2, 6, 1, 1, minus 3, 15, minus 3, 9. Okay, this is our A. X, that is x, y, z. B is 8 minus 1, 21. Applying elementary row operations on the augmented matrix A by B. We get A by B is equal to 4 minus 2, 6, 8, 1, 1 minus 3 minus 1, 15 minus 3, 9, 21. Okay, this is our A by B. Listen, here R1 first element 4, R2 first element 1. So we interchanging these two rows R2 and R1. We interchanging the two rows. We get the answer 1, 1 minus 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 6, 8, 15 minus 3, 9, 21. This is our augmented matrix. Just we interchanging R1 and R2. Okay. Now R2 you listen 4 minus 2, 6, 8. Now comparing with R1, here first element 1. So we multiplying by minus 4 into R1. Minus 4, minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. Adding these two rows, we get 0, minus 6, 18, 12. This goes to second row here. 0, minus 6, 18, 12. Okay. Now you listen R3. R3 first element we have 15. R1 first element we have 1. Now first we write R3. 15 minus 3, 9, 21. And multiplying R1 by minus 15. Now minus 15, minus 15, minus 3 into minus 15, that is plus 45, minus 1 into minus 15 plus 15. Adding these two rows, we get the answer what? 5, 15 minus 15, 0, minus 3 minus 15, that is minus 18, 9 plus 45, 54, 21 plus 15, that is 36. This goes to R3. Here R3 is there. 0, minus 18, 54, 36. We listen the R2 and R3. R2 elements are 0, 6, 18, 12. R3 elements are 0, minus 18, 54, 36. R2 all the elements are divided by 6. So we divide by minus 6. And R3 elements minus 18, 54, 36. All the elements are divided by minus 18. We get the same row. Two rows are identical. That is R2, R3. Two rows are identical. Now first row there is no change. R2 becomes 0, 1, minus 3, minus 2. R3 it becomes 0, 1, minus 3, minus 2. Now what do you do? Yes, very good. R3 implies R3 minus R2. Now we get the answer R3. All the elements of R3 become 0. Now R1 is 1, 1, minus 3, minus 1. R2 0, 1, minus 3, minus 2. R3 all the elements are 0. Now we are going to find the rank of this matrix. Here number of non-zero rows. How many number of non-zero rows? Here 1, 2. There are 2 rows only because third row fully 0. Now rank of A comma B is 2. So rank of A, coefficient matrix rank is, this is also equal to 2. So rank of A is equal to rank of A comma B. So the system is consistent. First you understand both rows are equal. Both rows are equal. Sorry, both ranks are equal. So the system is consistent. But number of unknown variables, how many? How much? That is 3. This is less than 2. This is less than 2. So the system is consistent, but it have many solutions. It has many solutions. From echelon form, we write the three equations. First equation, x plus y minus 3z equal to minus 1. Second equation, y minus 3z equal to minus 2. And the third equation, 0 equal to 0, it is meaningful. So no problem. But we have three variables but two equations. Then how do you solve this equation? Listen once again. We have three variables x, y, z. But we have how many equations we have? We have only two equations. So how do you solve it? We solve, listen, put x or y or z. You take any one, okay? X, y, z. You take any one. Put a, suppose x equal to t or y is equal to t or z equal to t. Here I take z equal to t. Here I take z equal to what? Z equal to t. Now we substitute in second equation. Second equation, y minus 3z equal to minus 2. So y minus 3 into z equal to t. We substitute y minus 3t is equal to minus 2. Then y is equal to 3t. Minus 3t goes to right hand side plus 3t. 3t minus 2. So z equal to t. Y is equal to 3t minus 2. We substitute in equation number 1. Where is equation number 1? This is our first equation. X plus y minus 3z equal to minus 1. X plus y value, that is 3t minus 2 minus 3 into z value t. Here minus 3t plus 3t both are cancelled. Now x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore x equal to minus 1 plus 2, that is x equal to plus 1. Hence x equal to 1, y is equal to 3t minus 2, z equal to t. Here the system is consistent. I already told you here the system is consistent. Why the system is consistent? Yes, rank of A is equal to rank of A comma B. So the system is consistent and it has infinitely many solutions which form a one parameter family of solutions. Why the system has infinitely solutions? How do you understand the system is infinitely solutions? Here we find x equal to 1, y is equal to 3t minus 2, z equal to t. How do you find the system is infinitely many solutions? We substitute the t value depending upon the t value. Suppose we substitute t is equal to 0. Once again listen. Suppose t is equal to 0. Then what is the z answer? That is z equal to what? Z equal to 0. Then y is equal to, substitute the t value. 3 into 0 minus 2. So y value is equal to minus 2. Z value 0, y value minus 2. X is fixed. X equal to 1. So once again you take t is equal to 1. Suppose you take t is equal to 1. What is the z answer? Z is 1. And we substitute y is equal to 3 into 1, 3 minus 2. Y is also equal to 1. X is fixed. So the solution is 1, 1, 1. So etc. We substitute t value 0, 1 or minus 1, 2 or minus 2, etc. Depending upon t value, the system have many solutions. Students, are you understand these two sums? I hope you well understood. Okay, thank you.